Hello students. So on 2nd January I posted one question on my Telegram channel, that is Indian Economy by Himanshu. So the question is with respect to, you can say, a data on export and import, or you can say export data, and especially for merchandise export, or you can say export of goods. So nowadays if you see that some data is important. So in economy I will not say that all the data is important, but some important data you must remember, like you can say the condition of fiscal deficit, okay, what is our current inflation trend, okay, what is, you can say, the export and import trend. So some data is needed for your exam, like the condition for NPA. So these are the things that you must know about it. Now if I talk about the data, so this data, you can say, this is with respect to, you can say, a topic of balance of payment or external sector, you can say. Now what it says, currently India's merchandise exports exceed $500 billion. So this is about merchandise export. So when I am saying merchandise export, I am talking about export of goods only, not services. So if you see the record, so we have touched $450 billion. Clear? So leave about touching $500 billion. Okay, but if I have mentioned like currently India's export exceed $500 billion, then it is correct, because here I am not mentioning goods. Okay, so when I am using word only export, India's export has exceed $500 billion, then this statement is correct. But here I have specifically mentioned merchandise export, so it has not touched $500 billion. Okay, but if I take both goods and services, yes, then you can say this statement is correct. Clear? So unfortunately this statement is wrong. Okay, now second is, in the last 10 years the share of exports of gems and jewelry have witnessed a decline. Yes, the export of gems and jewelry has witnessed a decline. Even if you see, the textile export has also seen a decline in last 10 years. Clear? So this is what you can see, that first statement is incorrect, but second statement is correct. Clear? So the answer is B, but if you see, we have a mixed response. Clear? So some has mentioned A answer. Clear? Some has, or you can say 28% student has given only correct answer out of 49 students, those who have participated. So if you participate in, you can say, large number, so we can get, you can say, or you understand this thing, that how your competitors are preparing, because this exam is a relative competition. Clear? So ultimately you have to know the preparation, your preparation level as well as your competitor preparation level, if you want to succeed in this exam. Clear? So ultimately this should be your real motivation. Clear? So this is about this question.